Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a wide variety of unique ideas that how you can design your dresses with the art of latest hand embroidery, with the art of latest 3D hand embroidery floral patterns, and with a very beautiful and elegant touch. With the upcoming summers, you can design your dresses with a very beautiful pace and designer style touch. Instead of paying lot of money, instead of paying highly paid designer dresses that are handmade, if you are a lover of hand art, if you are a lover of needlework, hand embroidery, or you are an artist, or you have a startup and you sell your effort of handwork, then this video collection is absolutely for you. All the embroidery patterns are extremely easy to make, stylish, decent, elegant, and at the same time they are highly paying off. You can earn a lot of money by using these very beautiful color combinations, exactly these patterns. And the beauty of these patterns is that they are 3 in 1. You can use for machine embroidery, you can use for hand embroidery, you can also use for machine embroidery, computer embroidery, digital embroideries as well. All of these patterns are absolutely favorable and suitable to all these different type of techniques. Friends, I am again requesting you that please don't go anywhere, watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish patterns. This video collection is absolutely for those ones who are new to hand embroidery. They are lovers of hand embroidery, they want to become professional artists, but they are not familiar with many type of embroidery stitches. They are only familiar with basic embroidery stitches. Then friends, you are at the right platform, because all of my these video collection of whole entire patterns of neckline, dress design ideas is absolutely based on 1 to 2 embroidery stitch. So you can try these patterns, and you can make a lot of money as well if you are trying or thinking of setting up a new business or new startup. If you have already in use old kurtis of plain fabric, and if you are tired or bored of its dullness, then you can also change it by making these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your old kurtis to make them new and to give them a new creative look. So I hope that you have liked my patterns, I hope that you have liked my ideas. Then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for new upcoming videos, and leave massive comments below our video so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you.